If you have to say ouch every time you try to part your hair for styling, then this video is for you. Hi family, welcome or welcome back to Rosy Natural. This video explains how to part hair painlessly. I'm aware some people may have very sensitive scalp and this may or may not help their situation. But sometimes what we actually think is sensitive scalp is as a result of tangles we are not getting out of our hair. Now, the only secret here is thoroughly detangled hair. Tangled hair makes it difficult for the parting comb to get through the hair without pulling on the strands, which in turn will pull on the hair follicles, causing pain on the scalp. So, I begin by making the hair either wet or damp with water, and this is either before or after shampooing, depending on how tangled my hair is. So for instance, after I remove mini twist, I detangle first before shampooing. If I had any other style with minimal tangles, I do the detangling after shampooing during the conditioning stage. Now back to the process. In this video, for instance, I just shampooed and applied conditioner to damp hair, and that set the stage for my detangling process. Detangling from the ends will actually reduce the frustration that comes with tangles, so be sure to get the ends well detangled first before moving on to the middle portion and finally to the roots. So this is how long in real time I worked on one session until it was fully detangled. Once the comb or brush can run smoothly through the hair without any challenge, the hair is properly detangled. Because of the coily nature of our hair, it easily gets tangled, so I try to keep it detangled with a twist or braid until I'm ready to style. My hair is all well detangled now. I rinsed out the conditioner and applied my Kantu coconut curling cream in the shower before coming out and towel dried my hair. And now as you can see, it was so easy to part the hair. These parts were painless even with the smallest tail comb I had. So if you have to go through a lot of pain while parting your hair or even your kid's hair, then you might want to take a second look at how you do your detangling, whether or not you are detangling thoroughly, especially on wash days. Share with me in the comments what your favorite detangling tool is. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to click the like button. I do hope this video was helpful to someone. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video.